Understanding the phrase, sitting pretty, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sitting pretty. This idiom is commonly used in English, and understanding it can add a fun and expressive element to your language skills. Let's dive in and find out what it means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, sitting pretty, is an idiom in English that means to be in a very good or advantageous situation. It often implies that the person is comfortable, secure, or in a favorable position without any significant problems. For example, if someone has just received a promotion and is enjoying their new role, they could be described as sitting pretty in their career. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us remember them better. The phrase, sitting pretty, is believed to have originated in early 20th century America. It combines the literal sense of sitting in a relaxed or comfortable posture with the figurative sense of pretty, as an adjective, meaning satisfactory or in a good state. Let's look at some examples to understand how sitting pretty is used in different contexts. 1. Financial security. After investing wisely, she's sitting pretty with a substantial retirement fund. 2. Competitive advantage. With their main competitor out of the race, they are sitting pretty to win the championship. 3. General well-being. Now that his health has improved, he's sitting pretty and enjoying life more. While sitting pretty is the standard form, you might also hear variations like sitting pretty well or sitting very pretty. These variations emphasize the extent to which someone is in a good situation. When you want to use this phrase, think about situations where someone is experiencing success, comfort, or advantage. It's a light-hearted and informal expression, perfect for casual conversations. I hope this explanation helps you understand and use the phrase, sitting pretty, in your English conversations. Remember, idioms like this can add color and personality to your language skills. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be sitting pretty in your English language journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.